Hi guys, picked this up in a charity shop today, just on impulse. It's only a little toy, a Tardis. I just know that I've got a couple of viewers, subscribers who are very keen on Doctor Who. Cost me £1. It's got a light on top and that's about it really. Some little holes there, so clearly it's got a speaker in it. And it's missing the bottom cover that would hold little button cells in place. So the first thing we'll do is see if I've got any button cells that will fit. Right, as it happens, I've got some just here. I bought quite a few of these on eBay, several packs of them, because it was a cheap way of buying them, but I did find the other day that some of them were actually no good. They were dead. So if this doesn't work when we put it in, I'll have to check the actual button cells before we panic too much. Clearly it needs a cover on there to hold them in place. It made a noise. That was about it. Yeah. Don't know if that's just because they're so loose. See if I can just tease those tags out a little bit to make a tighter contact. That one seems to be all right. I think I might have to go and get my meter just to check whether these are actually any good. Got on, off, on, mute and off. So in the mute position, what do we expect to happen? Just the lights flash or something? This is pretty hopeless really, isn't it? I'm going to have to make some sort of little cover just to hold them in place, just so we can check whether it works. Because they're not going to stay there while I just keep pushing them. Well, the lights come on though. Let's try the sound. Okay, so is there anything that switches it on? Light or anything? Doesn't look like it does very much, does it? Especially not when the button cells keep falling out. Oh, this is hopeless. Yeah, I'm going to have to go and cut a piece of plastic or something to put in there just to hold the cells in place. I bet that's all it does. Yeah, I'll go and find a bit of plastic or something so we can make at least a temporary cover. This will probably seem like an odd choice of material, but I've got this circuit board out of something. Looks like it might have been a microwave or something like that. But I'm just going to cut a bit out the corner to make our cover. The fact it's a circuit board is irrelevant, it's about the right thickness. So I'll draw that out, cut it. Basically it needs to be something like that. Something like that. But we need a little bit sticking out down here somewhere to go through there. So I'll just cut it roughly and then I'll trim it to fit. Right, that's our rough little piece. Now we need to cut it to fit. I'm just wondering if we can that's what we want. Mustn't forget we want a little bit to stick out down here somewhere. Place that over there. Right, not sure if you can see that, but I can see the line along there quite clearly now. I just rubbed it really hard on the back there to transfer the outline. So I'll trim that, remembering my little bit that's got to stick out here, so I keep showing it. Well, we're nearly there. I've filed it down so it fits. I've also rubbed off the printed circuit that was on this side, or most of it, just so we don't accidentally short out the contacts or the batteries. What we need now is something on the back of here just to push them into place, because holding that in place isn't quite enough to actually turn it on. We need something in there just to push them up in to make contact. A little bit of rubber or foam or something just to push them in. I'll just try a bit of my blue tack, or white tack as this happens to be. It's a little bit like modelling clay. It sticks to things, but it will just fill the gap, I think. So if we put these in, put a little bit on top of each one. Push that on top. Slip that in there. I don't think it does anything else. I think that's it. You have it in mute mode where it just flashes the light, and on. And I think using that bit of circuit board was just a lucky choice, because it actually, I was able to file it down to size very easily. So I think that's all it does. Somebody can probably tell me if it does any more. And that's it. That's a slightly different noise. Battery's about to run out on the camera. So there's no apparent sensor on it to make it do any different or detect when you're coming near it or anything. I don't think it's sound activated. No. If anybody knows any different, let me know. But that appears to be it. Well, I've left it switched on, and it does appear to go off at random intervals. I haven't touched it, and it just sets itself off. So I don't know if it's just got some sort of random timer in there. I'm not going to do it now. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.